Hi everybody, today I will share my code with you about the stochastic, mini-batch and gradient descent. When I was learning the deep learning algorithm, this part was not so clear for me, and I researched it and I wrote some code from scratch. I'm not the expert, but I would like to share with you. Maybe it can be helpful for you to understand better. And for that I used some small data set, and I get this data from code basic from this guy's repository. And and our data consists of 3 columns: area, bedroom and the price. And our aim is to make price prediction by using the area and the bedroom columns. And we will do it for different gradient descent, mini batch, stochastic and batch gradient descent. The differences between them: by stochastic gradient descent, maybe it will be better to explain with codes. By stochastic gradient descent we get only one sample from data. For instance, here first of all we calculate randomly the random number according to the number of the number of the rows, and then we get one data set from data, and with this data we calculate our weights and the bias, and we go forward until we reach the end of the epochs. Each time we get we program randomly select a column row, and at this row we optimize our weight and the bytes. By mini batch gradient descent is that we get some sample data, or we iterate that the whole data with mini batch size. If we define our mini batch size as 5, firstly we get first 5, second 5 and the third 5. For each data set we optimize our weight and the bias. And the third selection was gradient descent. Here we pass whole the data at once, and we optimize our parameters. As you can see here, we optimize our parameters. And if you look at the differences, you will see that by stochastic gradient we don't have a stable const functions, and our predictions is 145. And actually it will be better maybe to give some input data. What we predict, first of all, we predict what will happen if the area is 2600 and the number of the bedrooms is 4. Normally this data is here, as you can see. For area of 2600 square meter and the number of the bedrooms is 4, we get the price 100. The normal price is 120. By stochastic gradient descent, if we give this data as an input, our prediction is 145. By mini batch gradient descent is closer than mini batch, as you can see here, and also we get more stable data. By batch gradient descent, it's at the middle between the stochastic and the mini batch. As you can see here, we have here also the stable cost functions. As you know, we pass all for each epochs we pass whole data. The differences, as you can see, I think it will be helpful for you to understand the differences. At the beginning of this video I have just emphasize that I'm not expert of the deep learning. Just I would like to share my experience with you. If you have any question about these codes, you can just comment on this video.